Hey, thank you so much for joining this workshop, and I'm so excited. But you're not done yet because you have to join the Facebook group. The link is just below, and you can always leave the group in case if you don't like my workshop or if it didn't resonate with you for any reason. And it can happen, let's face it, because not everybody likes coffee, not everybody likes green juice. So it's fine if it didn't resonate with you, but please join. And the goal of doing it inside a Facebook private group is because I share a lot of content related to creating more meaning in life and to grow professionally and personally, but in a more meaningful way. And recently, for example, I shared a article why the top executives are relying more and more on meditation and breath work. Also on empathy, like Simon Sinek talking about so much about empathy for the top leaders in the organizations. So different contents, not to bombard you. Every other day there is like one or two sharing, and power questions to keep you in track, to be more mindful throughout the day, to really use those insights which you have learned to implement them. And if it is a small group of people, we can kind of hold accountable to each other. Even though we don't know each other, still there is a accountability factor. So that is the whole purpose of helping you, giving you that little support throughout the week, to tiny support to take those micro steps for your mental well-being. So thank you so much once again. Please join the group, and I will see you inside the group, and I will see you on Wednesday during the workshop.